today is the day that I go out and shoot the studio update that I promised. So without further ado, let's go. So my sender is right here, this part. If you guys at work, okay, now that I've switched on the lights, okay, this is the reception. Okay, previously there was a partition here, okay, that forms another room, so I remove it already. So I'm waiting for people to come and patch this hole up. Okay, so over here is a toilet. Okay, nothing much. A pantry that I would change the flooring and stuff later on, and this will be the studio, okay, where I do the recording. Okay, removing all this old sponge that was here. Okay, gonna remove this. Okay, and this will be the podcast space. Okay, right over here, my green screen setup and my live zone, and also what we call it, that's where I put my overhead rig to shoot the past year papers and stuff. Okay, so there's emergency exit over here, okay, that link to ground floor. Okay, let's bring you over to the classroom. Okay, so this one is a small classroom for maybe up to 10 students. Okay, so I removed the carpet already. Okay, I'm not gonna shift the partitions and stuff. This should be it. And for the bigger room, okay, this is the place I plan to run my seminars, okay, and also for a bigger group class. So this is how it looks like at the moment. Okay, see all these things here. Previously there was a door over here, which I removed it already. Okay, so kind of crazy. So it's been weeks. Okay, I just come over here during my free time to get this partition removed, so that the renovation guy comes in and then they can start the works immediately. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the studio updates. Okay, so I have a bigger struggle currently. It's because of the virus outbreak, and I rented this place already. So let's see how it goes. Okay, looking forward to give a tour again after the renovation is done. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys, so I came down from my center already. Okay, somewhere right over here. Okay, now I'm inside my car. So, a couple of bad news to share with you guys. I think that everyone knows, right? The coronavirus thingy. So, it's pretty bad right now. Okay. All my tutoring classes, okay, are stopped. Okay, I can't go to school to teach my students. It's just pretty bad. And I chose a bad time to start my standard. The studio won't be ready anytime soon as Malaysia imposed this. Okay, so we are out of business until 31st March. So yeah, shit happens all the time, and this is really not a good time to start a business. Anyhow, I already signed the contract, rented the place. Just gonna figure out what to do next. Okay, so since I'm so free now, I can now focus on the channel's operation. So if you're not aware of this, okay, feel free to join our Q&A group. Okay, I'll put a link in the description. Okay, once you get approved, you can post a question over there, or you can just DM me directly through Instagram. Okay, so some of you already benefited from it. So if you get any question, just hit me up, since I'm so free right now. Okay, so if you wish to fund the channel's operation, okay, you can either help us through watching the ads on YouTube, or you can just go to our website and donate to us. It's gonna be a tough couple of months ahead, so I hope you guys stay safe. Okay, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. Okay, see you soon.